Hello students, in the last class we have discussed already some more problems related to a principle of mathematical induction. Now we will keep moving next problem. Just look at this, what I have written the question. Prove by using the principle of mathematical induction. 1 by 1 into 2 into 3, point a line. 1 into 2 into 3 plus 1 by 2 into 3 into 4 plus 1 by 3 into 4 into 5 plus and so on plus 1 by n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 is equal to n into n plus 3 by 4 into n plus 1 into n plus 2. So this is the proof we have to prove by using the principle of mathematical induction. Just look at this. So first determine the 1, 2, 3. 1 by 1, 2, 3, 1 into 2 into 3. So 1 by 2 into 3 into 4. 1 by 3 into 4 into 5. 1 by 4 into 5 into 6. And your 10th term will be 1 by 10 into 11 into 12. I hope you are getting. First term 1 into 2 into 3. 10th term. So if I want to 15th term 1 by 15 into 16 into 7. I hope you will get it. Okay. So so as usual procedure we will start. So begin with the concept of first step 1. Just look at this. First solution P of n ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. So equation number 1 and so solution ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾ. Let step 1 for n is equal to 1. For n is equal to 1. LHS 1 by 1 into 2 into 3. So what happened? 1 by 6 is. So RHS. What is RHS? Keep the term RHS and substitute n equal to 1 here. N equal to 1 substitute. 1 into 1 plus 3 by 4 into 1 plus 1 into bracket 1 plus 2. So 1 plus 3, 4 gets cancelled. N plus 1, sorry 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3 into 2, 6, 1 by 6. So as LHS is equal to RHS, therefore P of n is true for n equal to 1. So second step you know very well. Assume that P of n is true for n is equal to k. K is some natural. So assume that P of n is true for n equal to k. Look at this. So that is what? P of k. 1 by 1 into 2 into 3. Just keep the term as 1 by 2 into 3 into 4 plus 1 by 3 into 4 into 5 plus and so on plus 1 by k into k plus 1 into k plus 2 is equal to, just write it, k into k plus 3 by 4 into k plus 1 into k plus 2. Let us check this is a true. Is a true. Okay. Step 3. We have to move on. Step 3. So we shall prove that P of n is true for n is equal to k plus 1 also. We shall prove that P of n is true for n is equal to k plus 1 also. Step 3. So that is consider ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿ k plus 1 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರೆಯಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. So first term 1 by 1 into 2 into 3. Second term 1 by 2 into 3 into 4. Third term 1 by 3 into 4 into 5 and so on. Kth term 1 by k into k plus 1 into k plus 2 is equal to, I'm sorry, this is the kth term. Next term is what? n either k plus 1 बन जाता है, k either k plus 1. You can guess the answer. Next term k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 3. I hope you will get it. So k the term n either k plus 1 the term n either k plus 1. So if you simplify this All this ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. n ಇದ್ದರೆ k plus 1 ಬರೀತೀವಿ. n ಇದ್ದರೆ k plus 1 ಬರೆದ್ರೆ k plus 1. ಸೊ k plus 1 plus 3. k plus 1 plus 3 by 4 into k plus 1 plus 1. k plus 1 plus 1 into k plus 2 ಅಂದರೆ k plus 1 plus 2. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು? k plus 1 into k plus 4 by 4 into k plus 2 into k plus 3 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು? ನೋಡೋಣ, ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ. So from 2 I can write this is from 2 it is nothing but k into k plus 3 into divided by 4 into k plus 1 into k plus 2. This is nothing but from 2 plus this term as it is 1 by k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 3, because from 2 I have written it. From 2 I have written it. So now simplify ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು? Take down LCM. What is LCM? 4 is LCM here. K plus 1 is LCM. K plus 1, K plus 2 and as well as K plus 3. K plus 1. Yes, we can write this. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? K plus 3 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ. Okay? So K into ಇಲ್ಲಿ K plus 3 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? K plus 3 whole square. K plus 3 whole square plus ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 multiply 4. So now simplified for simplification K ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. A plus B whole square, A plus B whole square, K square plus 9 plus 2 into 3 6 plus 4 by 4 into k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 3. Okay, so now factorize it. ಈ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ k ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಭಾಳ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೈತಿ. k into k square k cube plus 6k square plus 9k plus 4 by 4 into k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 3. So what happened? ಇದನ್ನ k plus 1 ಲೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. k cube plus 6k square plus 9k plus 4 ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಆ ರೀತಿ k plus 1 ನೋಡಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತೆಗಿತಾರೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಬಂದಂದರೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಬಂದಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬಿಡಿಸಿರ್ತೀರಿ. ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ k ಕ್ಯೂಬ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ k ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6k ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 9k ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4. ಈಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೆಟ್ಟನಿದೆ. k ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಇಂಟು k ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 ಅಂದರೆ k ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ k ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ k ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, k ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ k ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ k ಇಂಟು k ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ k ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ 1 ಇಂಟು k ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ k ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಭಾಳ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ k ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯಿತು. 6k ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1k ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ 5k ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 9k ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೆ k ಇಂಟು 5k ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ 5k ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 5k ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಇಂಟು 5k 5k ಅಗೇನ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟೆಡ್, ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯಿತು. 9 ಮೈನಸ್ 5 4k, ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ kಗೆ ಏನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸೊ kಗೆ 4 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ 4k ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟೆಡ್ gets cancelled. So option ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, so you can write this answer as a multiple of these two. So you can write the roughly ಬರ್ದಿರ್ತೀನಿ k cube plus 6k square plus 9k plus 4 can be written as k plus 1 into k square plus 5k plus 4. This is school there is no problem exam and this okay, you can replace this. So adana very good. You can write k plus 1 into k square plus 5k plus 4 by 4 into k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 3. K plus 1 gets cancelled. Again you can factorize k square plus 5k plus 4. Factorize now. Factorize now. 4 into 1. K square plus 4k plus k plus 4. So k common tagara k plus 4. 1 common tagara k plus 4. So factorize now rest karo. So k plus 1 into k plus 4. K plus 1 into k plus 4 by 4 into k plus 2 k plus 3. But the answer same button. K plus 1 yes. K plus 1 plus 3. In very good modify in very good k plus 1 k plus 1 plus 3 4 k plus 1 plus 1 k plus 1 plus 2. So this is very good. So we can conclude that the answer n is k plus 1 the answer n into n plus 3 by 4 into n plus 1 into n plus 2 is n is k plus 1 observe. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಸದೇನು ಬಂತು ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ k ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದು ಬೇರೆ ರೇರ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಬರಬೇಕು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡಿ k plus 1 ನೇ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ k plus 1 ನೇ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದೇ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಸೊ ಇವೆರಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆದ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ k plus 1 ನೇ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ವೆರಿ ರೇರ್ ಭಾಳ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ k ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಬರ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಇದು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸ್ ದ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾಧ್ಯ ದಟ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿ ಲರ್ನ್ ಟುಡೇ ನ್ಯೂ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ ಬಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಲರ್ನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಿ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನೀವು ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕಲ್ತಿರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. So quotient to remind term like that there it will come. So how to divide you know everyone. So that's why I am not giving the importance to that method. That not just importance to that. So we move for next question. Next question. A plus AR plus AR square plus and so on plus AR raised to n minus 1 is equal to A into R raised to n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Prove by mathematical induction ಬರಲ್ತಾನೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಮುಂದಿನ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಯಾವ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಬೈ mathematical induction ಬರೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. Some of the people know it. This is nothing but a geometric progression. Some of the geometric progression series. Geometric series ಇದೆ. ಇದರ ಸಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ. Okay, ಆದರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಯಾವ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಇಂಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. So let us take this is a phi of n. Let us take this to one. Question number 1. Step 1. Step 1. For n is equal to 1. For n equal to 1. LHS ಏನಿದೆ n equal to 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. RHS n equal to 1 to a into r is to 1 minus 1 by r minus 1. So r minus 1 cancel it. So ಉಳಿತೇನೆ a. So same as LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore P of n is true for n equal to 1. Next step 2. Step. Assume that P of n is true for n is equal to k. K is some natural number. That is P of k. P of k a plus AR square and so on plus AR raised to K minus 1. Another K. So is equal to A into bracket R raised to K minus 1 by R minus 1. Let us take this is a true. Is true. So let it is true. Next, step 3. Step 3. Step 3 again, now. We shall prove that P of n is true for n is equal to K plus 1 also. As I told that P of n is true for n equal to K plus 1 also. That is, consider first term A, second term AR, third term AR square, AR cube, and so on AR raised to K minus 1. This is the kth term. Here next term name AR raised to n minus 1. Nth term. You may guess me K plus 1 th term. N is K plus 1 by N is K plus 1 by. Here 1 cancel. A with AR raised to K. So the next term is AR raised to K. So be careful. So I hope you are getting the idea. So simplify. In the last simplify, yes, work. A into R is to K plus 1 minus 1 by R minus 1. Then either K plus 1 or then either K plus 1. No. So this is nothing but what? From 2 I can write. From 2 I can write this is an answer. A into R is to K minus 1 by R minus 1 plus A into R is to K. Take down LCM. A into R. LCM is what? Another one. LCM is nothing but R minus 1. So A into R is to K minus 1 plus A into R is to K into bracket R minus 1. So here A is common. Take outside. Here R is to K minus 1. This A horror bardani. This is the multiply. You know very well A raised to m into A raised to n is equal to A raised to m plus n. Apply that. R raised to K into R raised to 1. R raised to K plus 1. This is multiply. Minus R raised to K. I hope you will get it. R raised to K into R raised to K plus 1. R raised to K into 1, R raised to K. Okay? Divided by this term as R raised to K. R raised to K gets cancelled. Plus minus. So what is there? Minus 1 R raised to K plus 1. So I can write R raised to K plus 1 minus 1 divided by R minus 1. We got it. N is K plus 1 path. Therefore, what is your conclusion? Very big. Therefore, P of n is true for n is equal to K plus 1 also. Hence, by principle of mathematical induction, P of n is true for n for all n. True for all n belongs to n. Okay, this is the idea. We will move to next question. I hope you are getting a very simple way, not a biggest complicated problem. This is automatic. It came. Now, n is the bar. Then you can show up the tana. N is the K plus 1, but only LCM simplify. LCM take it and then simplify. You will get the complete answer directly without making much complicated manner. So now we will move to next question. Next question. One square plus 3 square plus 5 square and so on plus 2n minus 1 whole square is equal to n into 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 3. to do? Let us take this the P of n. Let us take this one. Step 1. For n equal to 1, LHS 1 square is equal to 1 LHS. RHS n equal to 1. Substitute RHS n equal to 1 into 2 minus 1 into 2 plus 1 by 3. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ n ಇದ್ರೆ 1 ಬರ್ತದೆ 2 ಆದ್ರೆ n ಇದ್ರೆ 1 ಬರ್ತದೆ 2. So is equal to 3 gets cancelled. 2 minus 1 1 into 1. So as LHS is equal to RHS, therefore P of n is true for n is equal to 1. Step 2. Assume that P of n is true for n is equal to k. That is P of k another 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square and so on 2n minus 1 whole square. Odd number 1 or 3, 5 or 7. Next is equal to k into 2k minus 1 into 2k plus 1 by 3. Let's take this. Is true. Next step we have to do step 3. Step 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. We shall prove that P of n is true for n is equal to k plus 1 also. We are going to for k plus 1 also. Consider k plus next term ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದರ next term ಸರಿ ನೋಡಿ nth term ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2n minus 1 nth term 2n minus 1 ಹಂಗಿದ್ರೆ k plus 1 term ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 2 into k plus 1 minus 1 bracket is very good then is k plus 1 simple command 2k square is 2 into k 2k 2 into 1 2 minus 1 square is square very good. So 2k 2 minus 1 1 2k plus 1 whole square. That is the next term. So by 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square plus and so on 2k minus 1 whole square. Next term will be 2k plus 1 whole square. ಅಥವಾ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ ಏನಿದ್ರೆ k plus 1 ಬರಬಹುದು ಅರ್ಥ ಅಥವಾ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ 1 ನ 3 ಗೆ 2 5 3 ಗೆ 2 7 ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ 2k minus 1 plus 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ better n is replaced by k plus 1. So from 2 we can write this is nothing but k into 2k minus 1 into 2k plus 1 by 3 plus this keep as it is. So from 2 I have written this because from 2 I have assumed it is true. So ಏನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ no ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಲಿ n ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ k plus 1 ಬರಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ slowly n into 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 3 n ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ k plus 1 ಬರಲ್ಲ k plus 1 2 into k plus 1 minus 1 2 into k plus 1 plus 1 divided by 3 but simply k plus 1 ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ n ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ k plus 1 so k plus 1 2k plus 1 ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2k plus 2 minus 1 2k plus 1 2 into k 2k plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 by 3 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡಿ So what happened? Take down LCM. LCM ಕೊಡಿ. LCM ಏನಾಯ್ತು 3 ಆಯ್ತು. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ as it is k into 2k minus 1 into 2k plus 1 plus 3 ಬಂತು 2k plus 1 whole square. So what is common here? 2k plus 1 is common. 2k plus 1 is common. So 2k plus 1 common ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? k into 2k minus 1 plus 3 into 2k plus 1. I hope you will get it. By 3. Next 2k plus 1 into ಇನ್ನೇನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2k square minus k plus 3 2s are 6k plus 3 into 1 3 by 3. So next 2k plus 1 into 2k square plus 5k plus 3 by 3. So now ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು ಇದು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಎಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಟ್ ಬದಲು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಾದೀನಿ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು k plus 1 into 2k plus 3 ಬರಬೇಕು ಸೊ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬಂದರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಂತಂದರೆ ಬರೀಬೋದು ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮೈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ because you have to practice. That's why I am leaving you people to practice more like things. So that's why I am leaving you people to study about this concept. So I will continue my class next day. So before going to end my class, just practice more. We are ending the chapter very soon because this chapter is having only 5 plus 1 or 5 marks weightage. So very smallest chapter and few more questions. 3-4 classes are required to complete this chapter and almost the concept is over. The little bit variation in the problems we will discuss in the next class. Till that, take care.